When you click on any individual in your user directory, you are taken to their dedicated user profile. This profile is your command center for managing that specific person's entire lifecycle within your organization. You can click the Edit button in the top right to update basic details like their job title or location, or simply use the drop-down menus to update their account attributes. The Learner tab contains all the data regarding what this user is learning. It is broken down into 4 subtabs. The Enrollments view lists all individual courses the user is taking, their progress, and their status. To manually assign a new course, click the blue Enroll in Course button, search the catalog, and click Enroll. Similarly, the Learning Path subtab tracks their progress across Structured Path, which you can assign using the Add to Learning Path button. The Playbook subtab displays the internal knowledge resources they can access. Finally, the Certificates tab stores a permanent copy of any credential they earn, which you can view or download as a PDF for compliance audits. Switch to the Groups tab to see every team or cohort this user belongs to. To place the user into a new group, click Add to Group. Search your existing groups and confirm. If they change roles, you can easily remove them from an old group by clicking the red Remove button. The Portals tab allows you to elevate a user's privileges. While everyone has access to the Learner Portal by default, you can toggle access to the Instructor Portal if they need to build courses, or the Group Lead Portal if they need to monitor their team's training. Always click Save Changes to apply your new access rules. The Records tab acts as a secure digital file cabinet for the individual user, allowing administrators to manually upload and store personalized documents. The Performance tab provides details on an individual's learning and development metrics, perfect for one-on-one coaching and evaluations. The Overview section features a Performance over Time multi-line chart. By plotting scores across all 5 core dimensions over time, the Evaluation section is a dedicated ledger listing all of the user's past reviews, detailing the evaluator, date, and average score. You can also click the blue New Evaluation button directly from this page to instantly review the user, rate their competencies, and leave actionable feedback. Finally, the Settings tab allows you to manage their profile picture, manually reset their password, archive their account, or permanently delete the user from your organization.